Alright, this is the first piece we cut here. We're going to check out to see if it fits. You can see that. We'll use the jigsaw down there. And then the regular saw. Not too bad, it fit. It helps that there was a pattern to follow. It would have been pretty hard without that pattern. Alright, I got the second piece cut here. And that's gonna go right here. Touching that other board. So it should only leave like a gap. A piece that I need, maybe about that big. It shouldn't be too bad. Alright, the second piece is in. Fits like a glove. Alright, this is the last two pieces right here. This had to be cut separate because of the board stopped right here. So we cut it into two pieces here. And you got that angle right there. So 4 pieces all together. And I'm going to take these out and paint them with Kills, which is that white looking paint that protects them from mold and water. Alright, all the pieces are done on one side and the sides, of course, painted with Kills. Got the other piece right here. And there's the finished pieces. They're primered. And I'm not going to put paint on them or anything. It's just, I just put that Kills stuff on them so that it could protect them from mold and mildew. And they should just fit in there, just like they're supposed to. And there's board number 2. Last 2 pieces right here. You can see how they fit in there. Turned out pretty nice. Okay, so the last step before I lay down the flooring is going to be to use this sealant to fill in some of the holes that I took out. I took bolts out of and filled them in so that water won't come in. It'll just seal them up. But anyway, I'm using this stuff. Some sealant. Acrylic latex sealant. So, see how it works. Got this ancient looking caulking gun here. Alright, you can see that the holes are filled. It's drying. And then there's 2 more on that side. One on that side, one in the back on that side. I was going to take a video of it drying, but I don't think you guys would be interested in that. Like 2 or 3 hours of caulk drying. That didn't sound so nice. Okay, the caulking's finished. It's dried. Dried enough to put this insulation back on. Put a little bit more of the Reflectix tape on there to seal them together. And now I'm going to put the boards back in, the floorboards. And hopefully that's the last time I ever have to take them out again. Ta-da! That looks good. You can see the layers. The insulation directly on the bottom of the floor, on the metal and the rivets, and then the plywood on top. All nice and painted. Ready for some fancy flooring. Or not so fancy. I still haven't decided. The faux wood, or I'm definitely not going to put real wood. I think that'd be too pricey, even though it's not a lot of square footage. But I'm looking at, you know, how easy it is to clean up.